How many strategy ideas have you never tested? Usually the answer is all of them. And not for lack of ideas. Testing one meant learning to code first, so the idea just sat there. And the ones you did trade, how did you know they worked? Did you test them on years of history and then on a live feed with real spreads? Or did it just feel right? You can build a strategy here without writing a line of code, or write it in Python, same engine underneath. So the choice is only about which one suits you. 3 ways in. Connect nodes on a canvas. Write real Python. Or paste a Pine script and run it as it is. No rewriting, no conversion step. Start with nodes and read it left to right. Price goes in, an indicator reads the price. A condition decides, an action fires. That is the whole strategy, and there is no code at any point. Click any node and its settings open right there. Change the RSI length from 14 to 21, and the strategy has changed. No syntax, nothing to recompile. And this is what you are building from. Market data, indicators, conditions, actions, plotting, logic, and further down, universe, ranking, rebalancing, and raw script blocks. Hundreds of nodes, and every one of them drags onto the canvas. And you are not starting from a blank canvas. Open the indicators panel, and there is a strategies category, 42 of them, already built and already working. Every one of them opens up. Here is what it trades, how it works, the parameters you can change, when to use it, and where it goes wrong. Nothing is a black box. Then there is the marketplace on top of that, with hundreds more from the community, and each one carries its own write-up, and it's full source, open. And this is the part that matters. Take any of them, hit view, and it opens on the canvas as nodes. The strategy you just read about is sitting there, wired up with its code 1 tab away. Clone it, change a threshold, and it is yours. That is a much better starting point than an empty canvas. Or open the script tab and write it out. This is real Python with NumPy and pandas, and it is a real editor. Autocomplete as you type. Parameter hints. Inline errors before you run anything. A console underneath that tells you what actually happened. Everything you would expect from an IDE in the browser. And if your strategy is already written in Pine, paste it in. Pine version 6 runs here as it is. No rewriting, no conversion step. Apply it, and the console tells you exactly what it did. How many plots, how many drawings, how many signals. Or convert it to Python and take it from there. Then apply it. The signals plot on the price, and it backtests itself against decades of history. Return, win rate, and every trade it would have taken. Click any one of them, and it lands on the chart, so you can see what it actually did and not just what it scored. If this is useful, subscribe, give it a like, and share it with someone still trading on a feeling. And a backtest is only a claim about the past. So turn the strategy into orders. On the strategy's own row, up in the top left, there is an alert button. Not a price alert on the symbol, an alert on this strategy. Open it, and the type is already strategy signal, already pointed at the strategy you just built. It fires when that strategy prints a buy or a sell. Then look at the actions. App, sound, push, email, webhook, and on Pro, place orders. That is the one that matters. Turn it on, and the same arrows you just backtested get sent to a connected brokerage account at the size the strategy asked for. And you choose the account it goes to. Point it at a paper account and you get the same feed, the same spreads, the same fills with none of the money at risk. Point it at your live account and it trades for real. Both work. The order in which you do them is the advice. Prove it on paper, then go live with a small size and scale up in steps, not in one go. So that is the whole arc. Build it with nodes, Python or Pine. Prove it on decades of history for nothing. Then deploy it into your account where it either does what the test said or it does not. Idea, to edge to income. Here is the rule. If it runs in your browser, it is free. If it needs our servers, that is pro. The builder, Python, Pine, and the backtest are all free, every one of them. So build one and test it. It is free. charts.tradegrub.com